Having a slow start to the morning. Everyone's very tired from yesterday. But a lot was accomplished yesterday, so that's fine. I'm doing a few little things. I'm gonna see if there's any more beans in here to pick. And I'm going to see if I can pull all of the dried beans off the second half of this. Just doing little things I can do. Kind of popping in and out of the house while she finishes her morning nap. And then once that's done, then we'll go out to the workshop and start painting things. Should be able to get 2, if not 3, hopefully, Hexagon orders out the door today. That's the goal. For now, beans. Oh, and can I just say how ridiculous, beautiful, but ridiculous these cosmos are? I think, just for the novelty of it, I might grow them next year. But not on one of the center aisles, because you can't walk through here right now. But they are pretty, and I mean they're still, I don't know if they're supposed to be cold hardy or not, but they're still putting on buds. They're quite happy with this weather, so. That's the dry beans. Some of them aren't quite as dry as I would like, but I put them in, last time I shelled them and put them into a strainer and just kind of swirled them around a few times for about a week or so, and that actually finished the drying process, so that's not bad. I think there's a handful maybe still on there, but we'll just let those be. Maybe they'll replant this stuff for next year for me. Still need to get in here and get all the green beans. They're still edible as green beans. But I'm gonna go inside. Check to see how she's doing. Yeah, there you go. I'll come back up with the green beans in a minute. Flowers, like those are something else. Not what I thought I was planting. She's still asleep. She's still asleep, so I'm going to get the green beans picked because she should be waking up in the next 20 minutes or so in theory. Considering how long she's been sleeping and how long her naps normally take. Well, that's the green bean harvest for today. There was a few naturally drying ones in there. I think it's starting to slow down. But I was outside for, probably took me about a minute and a half to pick those ones because there wasn't much. And when I came back inside, somebody's eyes were open. So she's had lunch, I've had lunch, and now we're gonna go find the little padded sleeping bag thing for her and go out to the workshop and get some painting done. Hey? I go work in the workshop? It's a little bit big for you, Bubby. But it'll be nice and warm. It's supposed to fit a 6-month-old. So it's a little bit big. but it's cozy. This thing is totally way too big for her. But it'd be nice and warm. Yeah. It'd be nice and warm and toasty. I mean, her arms aren't even the sleeves. I don't even think her feet reach where the legs are supposed to go. It's kind of just a wearable sleeping bag at the moment. I think I'll zip down the top of it so she can actually get her arms out a little. Yeah. She does look comfortable though. Do you want your arms free? One wearable sleeping bag. Alright, well, I think she's reasonably content in there. So, I start with layer paint on all of those, then move on to puttying these because those are the most important thing to get absolutely done today, or get a number of them done today. The mountains don't actually leave until Wednesday, so start with hexagons and then just kind of jump back and forth between these. All done. So hexagons have 2 coats. All of the mountains are puttied. I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go inside. Need to wake her up, allow her some wiggle time. Otherwise, I don't know if she's gonna sleep tonight. She's been sleeping pretty hard today. I mean, a wearable sleeping bag is definitely a good idea. So she's happy, but she's sleeping quite a bit. So food, because I just put a coat on these. So yeah, food, wiggle time. I'll come back out, put a 3rd coat on these, coat onto the mountains, and then probably, I don't think these will be dry by then, or dry enough in order to start sanding and staining. So I might be able to make up the boxes. And I got one glue up over there. I might have glued up for tomorrow. But I think, optimistic here, but I think I might actually be able to get the 4 sets out the door that I want to today. If nothing else, I should at least be able to get the 2 that I really, really want to get out the door today. So, grab my jacket. grab the little one and go inside. Oh, she looks so comfortable here. Like so comfortable. Hi, Dano.
I think some good.
Woohoo! Oh, the new branding iron, yes. Last coat of paint. So, I feel as though we're not gonna get all this done. I think the last coat of paint and then the 2 orders that I really want to get out the door today. I think those ones will go out. And the other ones will come back out tomorrow. And we'll paint the mountains tomorrow. Yeah. For now, 1 more coat of paint. I'll probably make the 2 boxes I need just so that that's done and out of the way. Now I'm gonna take a break for a bit and it'll be a late night if I get those, if I come back out and do those 2. But at least they'll be over with and out the door. I can send out the other 2 tomorrow. Yeah. Little smiles. So cute. Alright, get you sitting down. Happy little face. Supper's all done. It's been about an hour and a half-ish, maybe slightly more. So hopefully that stuff is good and dry. Yeah, hopefully it's good and dry so I can at least sand those 2, get them in the boxes, Danny can pack them up. But right now, I need to sand things. So you can't come to the workshop. Nope. No matter how much you ask me, you cannot come to the workshop. I got a new toy. So this is the second branding iron that I bought from this guy. I have a larger one which we use for the coasters and the trivets and the trays and all that kind of stuff. But so I've been branding everything except for all of my shelves, and I mean, as you can see, I send a few of them out each year. So I decided this year I wanted to get a shelf branding iron. So I tested it out. It works really well, really quickly. And the other nice thing is the handle on my last one decided to bite the dust, so the heads are interchangeable. Alright, I'm gonna give this a try. Should probably do it on a white one just in case it screws up. Oh yes! Okay. Oh, that's so nice. All right. I tell you, it's the little things. Ah. Oh, this is so entertaining. I don't know why branding something is so entertaining. Not bad, and a pretty good fit. I'm not exactly the only person around here that makes hexagon shells, so I want to make sure people know where they came from, since I put so much effort into these. Especially the ones I send to stores. I want to make sure that they are branded so that people know where they got it from. You know, in case they want anything else. Maybe the store doesn't carry the entire line. I've had that happen. I've had people contact me saying I bought this at this store and I wanted to know what else you made, and they end up buying something, so. I mean, everything goes, for the most part, everything goes out with tags on it. But tags people take off, obviously. You don't want to hang this on a wall with the tag on it. Everything doesn't look good. So yeah. Little improvements every day. Alright, I'm gonna finish branding those ones. Do another quick sand on the brand because it yellows. You kind of see it yellows just a little. And then get these things stained, drilled, and in the boxes. So that's probably gonna be it for me today. So I'm gonna phone up one of my friends and see if she's willing to chat while I stain things. It's kind of lonely out here sometimes. Anyways. That's it. See you guys later. Bye. It's almost midnight, but the 2 boxes are ready to go. Time for bed, Bam Bam.